If you got a pit bike, I'm telling you, this ECU will change your whole goddamn life, bro. Like the rev range, look how, you see how high it goes? Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we're going to be talking about how to make your pit bike go faster, give it some extra torque. As you see, we got the CRF 50 behind me. We're going to take her on a little test drive in a minute to show you guys how these mods improve your bike. So let's get it. So the first mod on your CRF 50 or your pit bike, I don't know if all pit bikes can use this mod, but definitely on the CRF 50, it has a new ECU which helps it rev higher. So as you see, this red box right here is the new ECU, which makes the bike rev way higher. But not only does the bike rev higher with this, it also makes the bike rev smoother. So like it has a higher rev range, but it also makes the whole rev range smoother too. The next mod is changing your rear tooth size. So if you want your bike to be a little more torquey, you want to put this a little higher, so you'll bring it up a tooth and the bike will get way more torquey. But if you want the torque to come down and you want more top speed, you bring this down a tooth, which will help you have top speed, but then you're not as torquey. So you know, you're always playing with, you want more torque or want more top speed. I'm sort of in the middle. I like it to be a little torquey, but I also want like a tiny bit of top speed, but I don't need full top speed because I want that torque to bring up the wheelie. So now the last thing to make this bike go a little bit faster, give it a little bit extra oomph, is the exhaust. But there's one thing you got to know with the exhaust. Once you get more exhaust, you're gonna have more airflow coming through the bike, so you will get a little bit more power, a little bit more torque, but you're gonna get a louder exhaust note also, which is not good for the neighborhood. So that's why, as you see on mine, I still have the stock exhaust, full stock all the way down to the bottom. So gang, those are like the top 3 mods I would suggest for your pit bike. But enough talking, let's go shred this bike, show you what these mods can do on it. Let's fucking go. We got the beautiful other bikes right here, some mini bikes, but it's time to shred the pit bike, the neighborhood ripper. Oh my gosh, there's hella traffic, dog. Yo, there's so much traffic, dude. Holy crap. This is crazy. Usually it ain't this busy. But I'm gonna slide on through, brother. Just slide on through. Alright, now we've made it into some neighborhood. Let's pop that bad boy up, go for a little shred, talk about this thing. So as you can probably hear, like the rev range, look how, you see how high it goes? I'm trying to get the rev to like pop up high. Alright, let me get this rev range high. Oh, there's a dog right there. And yeah, when you're ripping around the neighborhood and you see like a dog, like don't shred right next to it. Like go away from it, you know, let the dog have its space. And that's just for people too. I'm trying to give you some pit bike neighborhood etiquette, dog. But you can just see the bike is so smooth. You like, look how smooth the rev range is. You see what I'm saying, bro? That's why, like, if you have a 50, I 1000% recommend this little ECU because it's just a game changer. But like I was saying, those 3 power mods, if you get an ECU and exhaust, I don't recommend the exhaust. And if you put your back sprocket up a tooth or down a tooth, will help with the top speed or torque. Hey, look, Subier. Bro, this little pit bike, there's something about this mini bike. They're just so fun. Like, it's perfect practice for the big bike. Like, cause you know, when you fall on this thing, it ain't scary. So yeah, man, this freaking ECU, it's a game changer, bro. If you got a pit bike, I'm telling you, this ECU will change your whole goddamn life, bro. It just makes this bike so smooth. And as you can see, my tires are like bald, but to be honest, that's how I like it, dude. It makes the swerving feel so smooth. 100 go-kart track here. Well, there used to be. Bro, it's so cool just exploring on the pit bike, dog. Like, look, just everything you see. Like, I would never come back here if I didn't have this pit bike. Like, I would have not even known all this random stuff was back here. Woo! A little water, bro. We were surfing out there, brother. Alright, we're gonna go from a dig. Alright, we're gonna take the 50 on a little dig. See how fast we can, you know, hit this quarter mile, dude. Alright, first gear. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! The bit just wanna pop up, brother. Yo, we flying. We're only going like 20 miles per hour, 25. But that's what I'm saying, like, this bike ain't fast, but it's just fast enough where you can wheelie it. Like, once you get comfortable and understand the balance, you can wheel it forever. Let's go. That's what I'm saying. Some people are stoked, bro. Like, home right there in their car, he was vibing. He was vibing with it for sure. I wasn't even waving at him, bro. I had my hand up like by my ear, like, you hear that, brother? Woo! That's what I'm saying, bro. Detour road closed, no problem. We'll skirt off this way. Freaking pitty gang, dog. We outside. Like, bro, when I was a kid, when I was a kid, bro, I wish, bro, I had a goddamn 50 pit bike, like a legit CRF 50. Like, as you guys know, I started on the Chinese bikes, and yes, the Chinese bikes are cool, and they're cheap, and they work, they get you around town. Yes, they break easily, but they don't feel as dialed as the CRF 50, dog. And I got this bike for $800. 800 schmackaroonies. And I be shredding it every day, and it still rips. Look at that. And we get the turn. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir! That's what I'm talking about, bro. The vibes are just immaculate on this. See, we're gonna go to sit down. Oh my god, I got it! Let's go! Right to the stop sign. Yeah, we just went from knee knocker to stand up. I mean, sit down. This little pit bike, man, I can just tell you, I have as much fun on this as my big bike, bro. Especially like when you got a few homies and you're ripping around the minis. It's just, the vibes are immaculate, dog. Oh, one more mod I didn't even really talk about that I totally forget is the air filter, bro. Like, I just have a basic, like, air filter on it, just foam. I don't like the hard, like, cone ones. I just like the foam one. I feel like that makes that gives it the best airflow, I feel. But let's keep on shredding. And the main thing, bro, is, like I said, is pit bike etiquette, bro. Like, just know your pit bike etiquette in your town. Don't be freaking swerving cars and doing all this crazy stuff, you know, because that's when you're just gonna get problems on your hand, bro. Like, you almost want to feel like you're invisible. Like, when you're on a bike, pretend like you're invisible and that, you know, no one can see you, just so, like, you stay safe and you're always watching out because you're pretty much invisible. No one can see you. That's how you gotta have the perspective on the bike. And then the next thing is just etiquette. Just be smart. Don't freaking be swerving cars and random stuff. Like, they ain't gonna like that. They're gonna call the, you know what they're gonna call. And yeah, if you're wondering, I am sitting in traffic right now. But that's what I'm saying. I'm just a normal vehicle, dude. I'm just a normal vehicle out here just bowling.